What is happening, folks? This is Eli with EH Tutorials, and today I actually want to do a video showing you some tips on Google Photos. Let's get started. So the first thing you need is a Google account, a Gmail account. The next thing is just to be logged in. So once you're logged into your Google account, you should have the option to go into these different areas over here. So we're going to go to Photos. You can obviously type photos.google.com and it's going to take you right to the page where Google Photos go. Also, if you want to upload photos, you can actually download the app. If you have an Android phone, I think it comes with it should be able to come with your Android phone. But if you have an iPhone or something like that, you're gonna definitely need to have to download the app. It's not gonna come with your iPhone. So if you go to the photos.google.com, you're gonna have the link to download it and go directly to the store. So in the case that you don't have it, the same thing happens here with Android. If you have an Android phone but it doesn't have it for some reason, you can actually download it by clicking here. It's going to take you right to the Android store or to the Apple store. But anyway, so that's one thing that I want to show you. But the other thing I want to show you here is how to upload the photos. A lot of people don't know how to upload the photos, and it's pretty simple. I'm going to do it with these celebrities over here. I have Madonna, I have Lady Gaga, Snoop Dogg, then I have Missy Elliott, then I have Eminem. So we're going to drag these photos. Literally all you need to do is to add photos, is drag it. Once you're on the page over here, just make sure you're on the photos.google.com page. You should be able to drag the photos right onto it. It'll start uploading it right away, as you can see. And boom, you have the information right there. You have the photos that you needed, as you can see. Now all the people that are here, there's so many different things you can do with the information that's here. You can create an album, you can download the photo, you can rotate it, you can create a shared album basically. So if you want to create a shared album, you can actually share a link with somebody for that, and that's really cool. You can also do what it says here, automatically backup photos from your computer. You just have to download a little app on your computer that's just gonna basically download the photo. Literally upload the photo to Google Photos. But you can also explore. Obviously, if you have more photos, family photos and different things, right? And you go to sharing here, which is another cool little thing here. Again, if you have shared albums, you can actually create them here and then share them with the family. If you have certain photos you want them to see, if you have a baby or something, and you want your mother to see the baby photos, it's gonna send it'll send an update to the phone of your mom or a relative that you pick. That's also really cool. There's also the print store. That a lot of people don't know about this, but you actually can order prints right from Google. Literally, you can create a canvas. If you have a canvas and you want to have like a nice canvas in your wall, you can actually do it with Google. It'll print it out for you, make a nice canvas and print it out, and it will look incredible. I've seen those before, and they're really nice. Obviously, you have your favorite area here, like I said, and that's one thing you can do. Like I said, create the different albums, but also use the utility stuff here. You can create movies and create animations, literally collages. You can add a partner account too, which is if you want to share stuff with them and back and forth, that's how you would do it. But you go to the settings here, and it shows you what you uploaded today. If you have a ton of photos and you upload them on here, what's going to happen is it's going to start creating different little animations for you. So because I have privacy issues, I don't want to share my personal account, but I know that there's so many tricks and things that come with everything. It's also going to start recognizing the people that you're uploading the photo clips. So you have a photo of Snoop Dogg over here, and say you take a photo of Snoop Dogg somewhere, you're hanging out with him somewhere, you take a photo of him, it's going to recognize him and actually it's going to categorize him as Snoop Dogg, or the person that you named Snoop Dogg. So if it's somebody else, whatever you label them, it's going to pretty much tell you. Once you take a photo of that person, it'll tell you what the person's name, and that's really a good way to search for it. But also, it's things like items too. I think I don't know if I can show you this over here because again, this album is brand new, and so it's going to take a little while to set up and all that. But If you took a photo of a train, you could literally search it up here. You know, in this case, let's search for blonde hair. So let's search for blonde hair. See, so far it's literally it hasn't categorized everything yet because everything is so new. With time, of course, it's gonna come that time where you can archive everything. Now, that should be it for now in this introduction, literally introduction video. But we're gonna have a second video where we're gonna talk about more different things here that we could talk about here. Obviously, there's a few things that I want to go through with, and I don't think it's a good time right now to talk about those things because I have this account is fairly new basically, so I don't, it has to start archiving everything. As you can see over here, there's different ways to explore. For example, the recently added. I'll show you the recently added. Save creations. Right now, there's no save creations right now as we speak. But with time, there's going to be save creations that you can make or whatnot. So, and if you have selfies, I guess the categories. As you can see, categories are here. If you took a screenshot with your phone and you want to look for something that you took a screenshot of, it'll do that. If you want to make a collage, it's gonna start doing that. It's a very smart program that takes a little bit of time to actually get it to work. That's why I want to do a second video about this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment on this at the bottom of this video. Make sure to like this video. We're gonna be having more videos like this. Just showing you quick things. They're not really gonna be full tutorials. Just me explaining to you guys a few things from it. Signing off. This is Eli. Take care, folks.